So you have a YouTube channel, or maybe you're thinking about creating a YouTube channel. How do you quickly monetize your YouTube videos or that YouTube channel? That's what I'll be talking about in this video, so stick around to the very end. Now, I want you guys to comment below and tell me what YouTube or what your YouTube channel is about, or what type of channel are you planning on doing, and how much subscribers and also how much money do you want to be able to make from this YouTube channel in a year's time. Comment below and let me know. Now, if you're new to the channel or you're watching one of my videos for the very first time, my name is Ian and I post videos here on YouTube every single day on topics relating to making money and personal finance. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, then give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all the notifications. And that way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post a new video here. Now, the first way you can monetize your YouTube channel is from YouTube ad revenue. And if you don't know what this is or how it works, here's how it goes. Businesses will pay YouTube to place advertisements on the platform. Whenever an ad is placed on one of your videos, YouTube will give you some of that ad revenue. Now, before I go any further, I want to point out that having a niche on YouTube is very, very important for getting monetized and making money. When you have a set niche, you'll be talking about one thing or one subject on your channel. So for example, on this channel, I talk about personal finance. The YouTube algorithm needs to know what your niche is and what your videos are about, so it knows what kind of audience to suggest your videos to. If you make videos about finance and cars and then traveling and then cooking, then the algorithm is going to have a very hard time figuring out who your audience is, and your videos may not be suggested to the right audience or anyone for that matter. So this is why picking a niche is very important, and also sticking to that niche. Also, YouTube doesn't just randomly put ads on your videos. The ads on your videos will usually be related to your niche. So for example, if you visit a channel that talks about cars, then most of the ads on those videos will be about cars or car repairs or something to do with cars. On my channel, you may find that most of the ads here have to do with banks or credit cards or loans or even investments. So if you don't have a niche and you're not sticking to it, then this may also create a problem when it's time for you or for your videos to be monetized, because the algorithm won't be able to quickly determine what type of ads to run on your videos. So remember, pick a niche and stick to that niche. Now, yesterday I made a video about why you should, or if you should, start a YouTube channel in 2021. And in that video, we talked a little about making money from YouTube in 2021. And I mentioned a couple ways to make money from YouTube. Now, I also mentioned that your niche has a lot to do with how much money you can earn, because some niches will have higher CPMs than others. So for instance, gaming channels may only have a CPM of $4 to $5 on average. This means that the average, or on average, if you create a gaming channel, you'll make $4 to $5 per 1,000 views on videos that have ads on them. If you have a channel in the finance niche like mine, then that CPM can go as high as $30 and sometimes even up to $100. However, each niche has pros and cons. So even though my CPM may be a lot higher, my views are a lot less. You'll generally find that less people are interested in personal finance topics as opposed to entertainment and gaming. So you may have a lower CPM, but you'll have more views, which means you could end up making even more money than a channel with a higher CPM. So here I want you guys to understand that when choosing your niche, just go with something that you actually like doing or talking about, because making money on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It took me about a year to get monetized, and then it took me around 8 months to get to 6,500 subscribers, or the 6,500 subscribers that I have right now. So choose a niche that you like. Now, to get monetized, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and you need to have 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, this may sound like a lot, and it is. It actually took me about a year to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, even though 1,000 subscribers is a lot, here's how you should approach this. And it goes back to making videos about something you actually like, because this may take a while. If you want to get monetized in 2021, you'll need to get at least 3 subscribers per day to get to 1,000 subscribers at the end of the year. If you want to get to 1,000 subscribers faster, then you can do the math. 6 months is 180 days. 1,000 divided by 180 is 5.5 or thereabout. So you'll need around 5 to 6 subscribers per day to get to 1,000 subscribers in 6 months. The best thing to do when you have no subscribers is to tell your friends and family about your YouTube channel. That's what I did initially. Now, don't go spamming their phones and trying to get them to subscribe. Just say, hey, I have a YouTube channel, here's a link, check it out and tell me what you think. In my case, about 50% of the people I told about my channel actually looked at it and they subscribed. From there, I went on to making my videos, and after about 3 to 4 months, I started getting 1 subscriber per day. Then every month it would increase by a few more subscribers per day. Now, this is when you have to be very, very consistent, because those new subscribers that you are getting are actually interested in your videos. And so you can't promise to make a video 2 or 3 times per week, and then you end up only posting 1 video per week or skipping a week. When I had about 50 subscribers, I missed about 2 weeks of uploading on YouTube, and in those 2 weeks, I lost about 7 subscribers. Now, 7 may not sound like a lot, but when you're getting 1 subscriber every other day, then 7 subscribers leaving your channel is a big deal. So the main thing here is that you need to be very patient and expect this to take some time. Unless you get a viral video that blows up on YouTube, you probably will spend a couple months making videos before you actually get to 1,000 subscribers. And if you watch some of the larger YouTubers, they will tell you that they did YouTube for 2 to 3 years before they were able to consistently get a lot of views and make a lot of money from doing YouTube. Now, let's talk about the 4,000 watch hours that you need to get monetized. And this can be intimidating because 4,000 hours is a lot. However, if you create a video or videos and the average length of one of your videos is 10 minutes, which is what the average is on YouTube, then all you really need to do is to get people to watch at least half of that video. So let me tell you how this works. 4,000 hours is actually 240,000 minutes. You need to have 240,000 minutes of watch time in the past 12 months. Divide this by 12 and you get 20,000. This means you need 20,000 minutes of watch time per month. Divide that by 30, which is the average amount of days per month, and you'll get around 666, which means that each day all you have to get is 666 minutes of watch time. This still sounds like a lot, but to put this in perspective, if you have 1 new video every day and you have 100 people viewing that video and they only watch half of your video, which is 5 minutes, then you would have gotten 500 minutes of watch time. So ideally, you need around 120 views per day, and you need them to watch at least 5 minutes of your video. When you think about it like this, it really makes this 4,000 hours seem less. So I would say create very good content that has a lot of value and get genuine subscribers and work on getting your first 100 subscribers. And then from there, you can start thinking about the watch time, because it will be easier to get it after passing 100 subscribers. Now, if you've gotten this far in this video and you're saying, well, thanks for this info, Ian, but although you broke everything down and it's simpler to understand, I still think it's a lot of work. And if that's what you're saying to yourself right now, then yes, you are absolutely right. It is still a lot of work. Like I said in the video yesterday, if you wouldn't be okay with spending 6 months of making videos and getting no rewards for it, then maybe this won't work out for you. It requires a lot of patience. It took me over a year. It takes a lot of time. So think about this as well. The more you work at this, the better results you'll get. I didn't have any of my videos recommended to a lot of people until I got to about 100 subscribers. I had 1 video that gained almost 600 views in a couple hours, which was a lot for me back then. And then YouTube started recommending my videos more and more, and the entire tracking of subscribers and watch time actually went away because I got to the watch time goal before I actually got to having 1,000 subscribers. So this is really how you get monetized on YouTube quickly. I don't know of any tricks or shortcuts, and this is how I did it. If you guys want to talk to me, drop a comment down below, or you can find me on Instagram, and I'm usually on there every day. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you'd like to see more videos just like this one, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, as that's the way these videos get recommended to more people here on YouTube. and can potentially help someone else as well. And remember guys, giving this video a thumbs up is completely free. Now, be sure to also check some of my other videos here on this channel on banking apps, savings accounts, credit cards, investments, ways to make money, and much more. Also, if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe and turn on all the notifications, as that's the only way you'll be able to get the updates of when I post new videos. And remember, I'll be posting a new video here every single day on YouTube. Now, I'm leaving a couple links down below to free stuff, free cashback offers, so be sure to check all the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff. Once again, I hope this video was very helpful. All the best with your YouTube channels, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.